Hello everyone. I hope you all are hale and hearty at your places.
Today we are going to learn some formal and informal ways of speaking in English. So let's first begin with the magic words. When we casually talk to our friends and we wish to express our gratitude towards them, we use the word thanks. And that is the informal way of speaking. However, if you wish to express your gratitude in a more formal way, then you might say, "Thank you so much, I'm grateful for your help." Or, "Thank you so much, I really appreciate it." The next magic word we have is sorry. And we all know that this is so frequently used that the word has lost all its essence. So, a more formal way of saying sorry would be to say, "I apologize for my behavior." The next word we have is please. We all know that it's used for making a request. So, an informal sentence might sound like this: "Please pass me that book." However, if we want to make a formal request, then we must use the modal could. So the formal sentence would sound like this: "Could you please pass me that book?" After the magic words, we have a very basic word, that is start. So we can use this word in informal sentences. For example, the new academic session will start in April. However, if we want to convey the same message in a more formal tone, the sentence would change to, "The new academic session will commence in the month of April." So instead of using the word start, we use the word commence. Next word we have is ended. So the informal sentence would sound like, "The contract ended on 31st December." And the formal way of saying the same would be, "The contract terminated on the 31st of December." So instead of using the word end, we use the word terminate. In this sentence, we would learn to express our ability. We can do this informally by simply using the modal can. For example, "I can complete this assignment on time." However, when you want to express this in a more formal way, when you want to assure the person of your abilities, you can say like this: "I am capable of completing this assignment on time." So you replace the modal can with the phrase capable of. The next and the last word we are going to deal with is think. So, an informal way of using the word think would be, "The teacher said she'll think about my project proposal." However, when we turn this sentence into a formal way, instead of using the word think, we use the word consider. For example, "The teacher assured that she will consider my project proposal." Another thing you might have noticed is the contraction that I have used in the informal sentence. So instead of writing "she will," I have written "she'll think." Now, these contractions can be used when you are speaking, as they are much faster and they help you sound like a more fluent speaker. However, when you're writing the formal things, for example, the answers during your examinations, I would recommend you to use the formal ways of writing. With this, we come to an end of this video. I hope you learned something valuable from this session. Keep learning and keep practicing English. Till then, bye everyone and have a nice day.